Nature lovers, listen up. Welcome to LinguaLee and AISC by Mishael Wright. Today we're going to delve into the world of evolution, a fascinating process that has shaped life on Earth. Imagine a story that began millions of years ago, a story written in our very own DNA. DNA is like a magical book inside each of us, a book that holds the secrets of our ancestors. Every page of this book tells us how plants, animals, and even us humans have changed over time. Join me in discovering how evolution, with small changes over many, many years, has created the amazing diversity of life we see on our planet today. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of our past and better understand the present.
Change over time. Evolution is like a patient artist who, with subtle brushstrokes, transforms a painting over time. In this case, the painting is life on Earth, and the brushstrokes are the small changes that occur in living things from one generation to the next. Imagine a group of animals, for example, wolves. Some wolves may have thicker fur, which helps them survive better in cold climates. Over time, these wolves with thick fur will have more pups and pass this trait on to their offspring. So, little by little, thick fur will become more common in the wolf population. We call this natural selection. The traits that help a living being survive and reproduce in its environment are more likely to be passed on to the next generations. To understand evolution, scientists look for clues in the past like time detectives. One of the most important clues are fossils, which are the remains of animals or plants that lived millions of years ago. Fossils are like snapshots of the past that show us what living things looked like in ancient times. For example, dinosaur fossils tell us about these giants that dominated the Earth long before us. We find other clues in the animals we have domesticated, like dogs. Dogs are descended from wolves, but over thousands of years humans have selected the friendliest and most docile wolves to breed. In this way, we have gradually modified the characteristics of dogs, giving rise to the wide variety of breeds we know today. It's evolution in action, guided by the hand of man.
New species, the mystery of speciation. Sometimes, evolution leads to something even more surprising. New species. This process is called speciation, and it can happen in different ways. Imagine a population of animals that is divided into two groups, for example, by a geographical barrier like a mountain or a river. Over time, each group will adapt to its new environment and develop different characteristics. If these changes are big enough, the two groups will no longer be able to reproduce with each other. Two distinct species will have emerged. Scientists are constantly discovering new species, which shows that evolution is still ongoing today.
Do you dare to keep discovering? Evolution is a fascinating journey that takes us from the origins of life to the amazing diversity that surrounds us today. We've learned how small changes over time can transform species, how fossils and domestic animals give us clues about the past, and even how new life forms arise. But this is just the beginning. There is still much to discover and understand about evolution.
I invite you to continue exploring this exciting field of science, to read books, watch documentaries, and above all, ask questions. Curiosity is the engine of knowledge.
Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe one day you yourselves will make an incredible discovery about the history of life on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more fascinating content about evolution and science. See you next time.